Hi, once again, this is Teacher Yan and welcome to our class. We are still on the subject and verb agreement, which is our topic for this video. And still, we are all role number 2 on the subject and verb agreement. The role number 2 states that we use plural verb if the subject is a plural noun or pronoun. Like say for instance, right here the sentence, people are watching live show. People are watching live show. First, we're going to identify the subject. Our subject here is people. People is actually a plural subject, and therefore we are going to use plural verb, which is are. Okay? So the sentence goes this way: people are watching live show. That's all for this moment. I hope you'll learn something from me. Once again, this is Teacher Yan. Until the next time, bye-bye.